This is so cool. My son made a carnival ride out of his Legos. It's even got a little sound. And it goes down. And it goes all the way up to the top. And then you let it go and it's got the little seat in there. And then here's the sound thing. Can't really keep getting my hand in the light. There's a little sound. I used a whole bunch of different pieces from a whole bunch of different Lego sets. I think that came from the Alien Spaceship set. And so he's made a Lego ride. Kind of like the Skyfall. It goes up and up and up and up. And then all the way down. This is so cool. I'm gonna do it again. Whoops. Uh-oh, Mommy broke it. That's classic.